Okay, the animation software. This is kind of the fun stuff here. One of the best animation programs right now is PowerPoint, 2010. PowerPoint has all these transitions, and it has animations built in that you can animate letters coming in, whole paragraphs coming in. You can animate characters in there. And there's several companies out there right now online that are selling animation slides, and you can just come in and edit those slides. I've bought several of those. It's an easy way to animate something, is go ahead and buy what people have already done for PowerPoint. There are a lot of whiteboard sketch software, and this program is not to demonstrate or point out any of the special skills you need to do this, but YouTube has a lot of training on how to use each of the software that I'm about to mention. Easy Sketch Pro. Easy Sketch Pro is basically a whiteboard sketch software system. And I'm going to bring up my version so you can kind of see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, this is Easy Sketch Pro, and I was having some issues with saving files, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you some examples of how easy it is. They have a whole set of animals and characters in here, and I'm just going to draw one here. We'll put Batman, we'll put him over here, and then I'm going to come back in here and I'm going to put Spider-Man, and I'm going to put him. Double click here, and put that up here. So it's going to draw that first, that second, and that third. So let's play it just to see what it looks like. So now it should work. So you could create a whole series of slides with these. Easy Sketch Pro is probably the simplest one to use, but it may not give you all the flexibility that you're looking for. So I'm going to hop out of this one here. And the next one is Explaindio. Now, Explaindio is the combination of a white sketch and a video animation. It's similar to adding Easy Sketch Pro and VideoMakerFX together. And this new version that they just came out with is pretty advanced. I have not had a lot of time to go through it, but I'm going to open it up real quick so we can take a look at it. Come up here. How do you like this? I'll put a question mark in there, and let's just change the text color here. Let's make it red. And we'll make it bigger too. Give it a strong shadow. Default. Okay, so we're going to put that there and on a chart. So how do you like this? Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a whole new scene, and this is where you would add more text and kind of in your set, and you want a video script in here. And you can make it just like a PowerPoint slideshow here. Let's see. There you go. So anyway, that's how you would do this. And I'm going to end this video in just a second. So what we've got so far is we would do basically a little sketch here by hand. Come in here, we'll write out, how do you like this? And then what I'm about to show you is an incredible, and we'd add another slide in here. I'll just put in here strategy to make more sales. That's what we all want anyway, so I'll bump this up to 100. And I'll put an exclamation point there. And I'll make it red. Kind of all there is to it, and it's about a 15-second, and then whenever you're ready, you just would hit create video, and 1280, let's just make it good quality, export speed, add watermark. I don't want, you can put in your own logo watermark in there, and I'll start export, and I'll just save it real quick, and let's take a look at what it looks like. Now, like I said earlier, I haven't used this Explaindio very much. I had the older version, the Explaindio 1, didn't have as many features on it. This new feature set with Explaindio is really powerful. I'm excited about getting to use it. I'm still an old PowerPoint guy using Camtasia as my screen capture. But if you like to do something a little bit different and how to animate it, Explaindio is a pretty good little software to use. So I'm going to open the video folder, and let's see, I think it's in projects. No, it's just down here. And you can add music to it. You can even put a video background right behind it, this is really new for Explaindio.